welcome back to Willie Mikey's Adventures.
And you guys should subscribe and like to our channel because then, well, I can't tell you this because this is a secret. It's awesome. Oh yeah, so we built a mini pump track, and I'll show you guys it. This is our mini pump track for our finger biking, but we don't have them yet because we gotta earn them. So yeah, we earn them. Oh, it's awkward, but so then this is my bike. I'm gonna do the thing. And then this is a Pro Line, so I'm gonna take that. And then this is my way of doing it. And then, yeah, and then this is Will's way of doing it. So, me and Will built this together. I really like this one because it's literally rock salt.
I did it.
Yeah, he did it.
And it took like an hour.
I did this. It's pretty cool. And then I did this one.
Okay, what's my way?
Okay, this is your way. Flying up to the moon.
That's my way.
Literally just flies.
And oh, we made this
This is,
thing. It's a ramp thing.
yeah, I'll show you the tutorial.
Okay,
Doing it. So,
bunny checkup.
buddy, check up.
They're doing fine.
Don't mind me.
They're doing real fine. And I just filled that up, so be careful. Yeah, it's not locked, and
No,
you have
it's
to
locked.
turn it. You have
Oh,
to,
really?
yeah, dude.
Yes.
there,
Sorry.
there.
Awkward moment.
Okay, push it back. It's spitting. Okay,
Jeez.
but yeah, and then we built the pump track yesterday. Like, no. The pond a little bit better. Then, special thing will be in next video. This is the only peak that you get. That's the only thing.
I'll show you the tutorial to do.
And we're gonna do that next video. So,
What?
and then, yeah. Yep.
Show you guys the tutorial. So this is the mixture that you want. So a spoon, fork, and a knife. That's the tools that you want. You want some water, and then you will want. I'll show you how to make the special mixture. So I'll just build it right here. I'll build the lane. So first you want a flat thing like this. Grab your water, spray it all around. It's kind of messy. I'm gonna tell you guys, well, you're gonna get messy if you try this. So you want it really, really, really much water, like this. So then you want it like this. So like, it depends how much water you want, and you want this. So it depends how much water you want, how big your thing wants to be, your ramp or landing. So then once you make that, the reason why you don't want to sculpt the ramp is because this, if you do on this gray dirt, then it would not stick. So then you want this.
You just put mud, you just put dirt and water in, and then you mix it with your spoon, and it makes like a mud sculpting thing. So he's just made it.
So
Okay. Okay.
then you get some of this dry dirt,
Yeah.
put it in there,
Put it in there. Yeah. Okay.
get your spoon.
And mix it all up. It's very dusty. You need some more dirt.
Like that.
You need
More
way
dirt?
more dirt.
Oh, got
More.
some dirt in my eyes.
More.
So and there you go. You want it kind of like that.
Yep.
Make sure you get every single dry piece of dirt
Yep.
wet. It's kind of like chocolate milk, but it's not. So then, grab a spoonful of that, and then start sculpting your ramp. And why you want this is because you can cut pieces off of that, and then this is you can go like that, and then you can like you can decorate it. So, I'm not sure what I'm doing.
Stop doing that, dude.
You can decorate it like that. There
Okay.
you go.
Okay. Hurry up, bro. You're taking way too long.
So then, yeah. And then
Okay.
sculpt your ramp, blah blah blah, and yeah.
And then,
Get
You're-
your hands dirty.
yeah, and then you're done. So,
And
that's
then
how you make.
And then you want to mix
make
it up
a
with your
homemade
hands,
punch
and then go like that. Just really get in there. Really get in there. Like that. I know I'm kind of gross. Oh.
It looks like you're playing with cow poop. Okay. We'll see you next time on
Yeah.
Doing Mikey's Adventures.
Blah.